Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the Shopify automatic discount rules. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over in here to the discounts. And other discounts right here, you should be able to see all of the discounts that you have. So this ones right here are automatic, while this one is coded. So what you can do is you can click on this create discount, and then you can just choose the type of discount that you want to offer. So for example, let's use this amount of order. And in this right here, you can click on this automatic discount and we can name it 10% off. And in here, the discount value is 10%. And the availability is offering on all your sales channel right here. So the minimum purchase amount, you can also actually put in there, or you can also put in a minimum quantity of items. So for example, let's put in here 100 pesos or like that, and it can be combined with all these combinations right here. For example, let's combine this with shipping discounts, and you can also just choose in here the active dates. So after that, head over and click on the save discount right here. And then as you can see, it's been saved. Now, what will happen is whenever someone has actually purchased a product that is around 100 pesos, they will be entitled to a 10% discount automatically and they don't need to input a code anymore. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.